There's Lulu and Olli. If you're new to my channel, Lulu is the blue and white one. And he's a boy. And at first we thought it was going to be a girl. Turned out he's a boy. And then Olli, we thought was a boy. Turned out she was a girl. So we call her Olli, short for Oliver. And anyway, so I'm going to change out their toys. That toy is, as you can see, it's pretty bent up, pretty eaten up. They, I don't like it when they get sharp edges there, because it could poke their eye. So we're going to change that one out, and they get a new triangle. Now, if you can see, what they do is, here at the bottom, they like to chew on these. And they knot it all up. But it gets pretty bad, and then I have to, start clipping. I have to start cutting it out so they don't get, their claws stuck in there, which they have before. So that's something you might want to, keep on top of, is make sure that when they do that, you can cut it away to the new stuff. But they've had this one for a while, and I thought, you know what? I saw a new one, so I grabbed it. So we're gonna go ahead and put those new toys in. Okay, so both of these toys are from All Living Things, and I was either PetSmart or Petco that I got them at. So I think it was PetSmart. So this is the new toy we're gonna put in. They really love the wood and any kind of paper. They just love it. So we'll put that one in. And then of course the triangle, which is also All Living Things. But see how it normally comes? And then that's what it becomes. Yeah, it just really gives them something to do. They love it. All right, we'll put these things in. Be back in a moment. What you guys think? I saw you playing with it. Yeah, I saw you playing with it, Lulu. See? Yeah, you like it? Yeah, Ollie? Yeah, they love it. Oh yeah, they love that paper. Yeah, I love it when they put a new toy in and they're just like, boom, on it. So, this video isn't about All Living Things, bird, stuff, but it's just what I happen to buy. But yeah, I'm not getting any, this is not a promo for 'em or anything like that. Just letting you know what kind of toys I get and what kind they like. But seems they like that for sure. That is a plus for them. And of course, I don't even have to know that they're gonna love this. They already do. Yeah, we'll see how that ends up, how long it takes them to unravel all that. So, yeah. If you like this kind of video, you know what to do. Right, guys? Say hit the subscribe button, and then hit the bell, and then you'll know when we put up another video. Whether it be on the birds or the dogs. Right, Ollie? Yeah. What are you going to do? You going to go down and get some food now? All right. We'll talk to everybody later. Be kind to animals. Bye now.